This is Frisco Live 415.
Harrison in third, we have a motor down. He's conscious and breathing.
Robert 2,
breathing.
copy. Harrison in third, motor down, not conscious, is breathing. Start air.
This is the special call for Battalion 3 RC1. Your location is Sergeant Harrison. This is to assist officer on scene, CHP on scene for motorcycle down. Engine 1 medic 81 is also responding. Please approach runway on Harrison from 4.
Oh my god. CHP out there.
Two cars starting on fire. Start fire.
Start fire. Vehicles on fire.
Location.
Sergeant Harrison. Robert 2, vehicle on fire at intersection requesting fire.
For me, all right? Thank you.
CHP officer down, motorcycle down. He's trying to figure out, they're doing an escort right now, trying to figure out freeway versus city streets.
Did anyone see what happened here? No? Okay.
They're looking for the driver.
Driver?
Oh my god.
Anybody knew who was driving the other car?
They're asking if anybody knows who's driving this car. CHP's in that ambulance. There's gonna be a huge escort coming out of here. You heard it? Yeah.
One, can you show us en route to San Francisco General Code 3?
81 transporting to General Code 3 copy.
Nobody else need to see what happened? Nobody saw what happened? No?
32 Adam 10 advising, and when the units are 97 at SF Gen 2 advise, we can clear the town.
He's explaining it to the CHP officer. I don't know if they found the driver yet of this vehicle.
We have footage directly following the crash. Do you need that at all? Or
Footage following the crash?
yeah. It's like, I mean, like right after. I just didn't get the crash.
So, CHP officer down, motorcycle officer. He's been already escorted.
Sir, did you see what happened?
No, I didn't.
Okay, if you didn't see what happened, you can have a witness. We gotta push it down, okay?
All right.
Did you guys witness what happened? If not, you need to back up.